Welcome to today's episode of Code Chat, where we delve into the fascinating world of programming and software development. I'm your host, and today we're exploring a brand new library called tkintergalactic, a delightful twist on building GUI applications in Python using the TCL/TK toolkit. Now let's get straight to the interesting part. So what is tkintergalactic? Think of it as a React-like interface for building GUIs, but with a focus on simplicity and ease of use. Basically, it brings a declarative style to tkinter, allowing you to create widgets and manage their state in a way that feels more modern and intuitive. And get this, it's even got its own virtual DOM. If you're familiar with React, you know how beneficial that can be for performance and debugging. tkintergalactic is zero dependency, which means you can jump right in without worrying about installation conflicts or complex setups. Now, if you've ever tried setting up a basic GUI in Python, you know it can be a bit, well, tricky. There's often a steep learning curve, but what's cool about tkintergalactic is that it's designed to be understandable. The entire structure is small enough to grasp how it works intimately without feeling overwhelmed. All right, let's jump into some examples. You can get started with just a few lines of code. After installing tkintergalactic, you can write a simple program to create a button that counts clicks. Here's a quick rundown. You define a counter and then set up a button that increments this counter every time it's pressed. Simple, effective, and satisfying. Pause for a moment to let listeners absorb the information. But the library is still in an incomplete state, and there's plenty left to build out. For instance, many core features from TK's documentation aren't yet implemented, but this provides a fantastic opportunity for developers looking to contribute. Whether it's enhancing the existing widget features or optimizing performance, there's a lot of potential. Now, here's where it gets a bit more advanced. Let's talk about managing task lists. They've provided a handy to-do list example using data classes. You can create new tasks, mark them complete, or delete them, all managed through a state class. It's a neat demonstration of tkintergalactic's capabilities in handling simple applications. And oh, the layout management. There's an interesting concept called the packer that manages how components are arranged. It's essentially creating a layout where you can specify the side of the window each widget should appear on. This intuitive control over GUI elements makes developing applications much more straightforward. Breather moment. As we look toward the future of tkintergalactic, the developers aim to address functionality gaps, improve performance through efficient algorithms, and potentially introduce more complex state management, similar to what you might find in React. Imagine being able to manipulate interfaces fluidly while working with Python. Before we conclude, I want to leave you with a thought. The evolution of libraries like tkintergalactic is a testament to how far we've come as developers. They simplify processes, empower creativity, and enable us to build stunning applications more swiftly than ever before. So there you have it. tkintergalactic could be your new favorite tool for creating GUIs in Python. I encourage all you listeners out there to check it out, explore its functionalities, and perhaps even contribute to its growth. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Code Chat. If you enjoyed the discussion today, don't forget to subscribe and join us for more engaging chats about the latest in tech and programming. Until next time, keep coding and stay curious.